Welcome to this new course of the Adquio ecosystem. This course will be based on the same document that we presented a few months ago, in which we explain all the steps to control a Casambi network from our control screens with custom-designed interfaces, or from our SCADA systems, both SCADA Server and SCADA Cloud. In this new edition of training courses, we are going to see step-by-step each of the chapters of this manual, but doing it in a totally practical way. Therefore, we are going to start by looking at how to integrate a Lithernet Gateway in a Casambi network. We are going to see how it is done. We are going to see how to configure the Lithernet Gateway so that it can export the data we are interested in to our Adquio controller. We are going to see how to extract this information from the Lithernet Gateway, and above all, and most importantly, how to select from the information it provides us with, what information we are interested in each case. Since it can provide a lot of information, and if we are not going to use it, this can slow down subsequent processes. Therefore, we are going to learn how to keep only the information we are interested in for each project. Next, we are going to see how to import all this information in a very simple way into our Adquio controller. In this example, we are going to work with an Adquio Lite controller, because it is a controller that allows us to secure the installations, since it has a WAN connection, to connect to the internet or to the client's network, and 3 LAN connections, where we can connect, for example, all the devices, such as screens, such as SCADA or Lithernets, okay? Through a POS switch. Additionally, we are going to work within Adquio Lite, with the creation of scripts, so you can see how you can program scripts to make automations on lighting, on climate systems, or on really whatever you want. And so that you can see a bit of the syntax of the language, and you can do it yourself. Well, next we're going to see how to export that information within Adquio Lite. And what this export is going to allow is that both the control screens that you see at the top of this slide and the SCADA systems can enjoy all those variables and work with them in a bidirectional way. We will also see how to design screens with a customized interface for the client. We are going to dedicate several chapters to this because we want to show you all the power that this system has so that you can create interfaces like the ones you see in this slide. Okay? Totally different from the standard and very adapted to the client's needs and tastes. And of course, we will also dedicate various chapters to the training of the Adquio SCADA server. We will see how to import the information exported by our Adquio controller, and we will see how to work with this information. And finally, we will also see how the SCADA systems and screens control a real Casambi installation, which will be the one we have worked on during all these training chapters. We will see it working in real life with a real Casambi installation, with Lithernet Gateway, and with Casambi luminaires and drivers. Okay? All right. We encourage you to attend all the chapters we will publish from now on. Let's start.